So it's a coelom.
So if somebody was going to try and aspirate and drain her ascites, are you allowed to tell me where?
Yeah, so you just want to go.
person-
You just want to go to the ventralmost portion. So when
Okay.
she's standing up, then
Got
you'll
it.
find the lowest portion and kind of poke. And you
Okay.
might have to do this side and then come over and do this side because they do
Okay.
have the air sac system in there and they have separations.
Do they?
So,
Okay.
but yes, this is very, very abnormal. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and cut into that coelomic cavity, and it's going to have a lot of fluid. It shouldn't spray you or anything. But it's going to come out. We got some. That looks like some pus actually. Some little
Really?
chunks of purulence there. Chicken pus is hard. It's not. Oh yeah, that's. Can you get me a culture swab? We might want to get a sample of this. They're in the lab in one of the drawers. If we just had neoplasia, I wouldn't usually see those
You wouldn't,
chunks of
okay.
pus like that.
So if it was salpingitis type
Maybe.
originated
Yeah, so-
infection, would it?
It's like this? Okay.
So this roughness on the intestinal tract is not normal, but that can be just from the peritoneal fluid that's built up there.
Uh-huh.
But it can also be cancer. So let's see what we got there.
Why is it kind of green in color?
From blood breaking down,
Oh.
so like bruising sort of idea. I'm just gonna take this and
Oh.
see if I can maybe get a little sampleation in case you want to send this out and see if it is something.
Are these lungs?
Here, don't touch it yet. That's liver.
Oh.
I'm just gonna try and get a sterile sample from this before we get too much further. Just in case.
That almost looks slightly affixed.
It is, yeah.
But it looks very similar to the infectious type
Yeah, so
chunks, I guess.
yes, yes, this
That
is
were floating
this
around.
is pus. This is,
Uh-huh.
or it could be chunks of yolk. We'll see. Maybe she has a ruptured oviduct, but we have this. Yeah, so this is bird pus. It gets caseated and thick. They don't have the same chemicals in their neutrophil. Though they don't have neutrophils. They have heterophils. They don't have the same chemicals that break down the pus to make it liquid.
Is that the heart? But
Nope, that's more. It's like a blood clot or something with. I wouldn't. I think she might have had an egg peritonitis actually. So she probably internally laid an ova and it caused an infection. It has a similar appearance to adenocarcinoma, but I don't think that's what we have here. So here's liver. I just kind of cut into that lung. That lung looks pretty nice actually. But all of this is thickened. So all of this fluid and inflammation has caused all of these peritoneal tissues to thicken. It shouldn't be like that. It should be more like a cellophane.
right.
So you can kind of see through it. This is intestines. See if we can get them out of the way. This is her. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just trying to catch every view I can. It's
Okay.
just fascinating to me.
This is a little different. She's got some weird follicle-y looking things here. I'm not sure what that is.
Interesting.
This is I'm wondering if maybe she ruptured her oviduct right there. So this whole thing right here that I'm holding, this is oviduct. And this is her ovary. They only have one ovary, the left. And all of those follicles are regressed, so those turn into yolks.
You're gonna have to head out.
Um,
Alright, cool. I think everything's pretty much
but
done.
she has not been laying.
No.
She's definitely not been laying.
Shouldn't be too much after that.
And then this is all just,
There's kennels in the back.
this is all just inflammation, irritation because of the fluid and infection that's in there.
Yours?
This
Oh,
is very odd looking right here.
We did start yesterday.
Well,
And
happy anniversary.
I think she had a ruptured oviduct. I don't think we need to send anything out. Let's see if I can find her opening to that.
Oh, yeah.
The other one belongs to Fred, which means Leslie took the.
Yeah. I have a weird question. What's your question? Oh, we're done. Can I touch the ovary? You can touch anything now.
Wow, they're like,
You can touch things too if you want. There's gloves over here.
these feel really,
Sure.
they like feel like sea grapes or champagne grapes. I probably shouldn't make a reference to food, but
What are champagne grapes?
they're like these tiny little baby red grapes. They're really cute. They're the cutest things I've ever seen. They pretty much are that size.
Interesting.
So what I'm gonna try and do is find her oviduct opening and get my finger in there and see if things are actually even patent. Get the poop out of the way.
So maybe it's scarred off. Are those adhesions?
I think it is, yeah. So,
Yeah.
'cause I can't quite get in there. And I
Interesting.
think,
I just sort of want to feel these.
oh yeah, you can feel
The
anything you
champagne
want.
grapes.
Okay, but
Just
it-
kind of how they
It's a
look.
medical term.
yeah,
That's closer to 5, right?
yeah, she's got,
Friday at 5.
it's just, yeah, this oviduct is torn. She had a ruptured oviduct.
Hmm.
Yeah.